Okay, finally, we're gonna talk about AI. And as an artist, our code will be like this. Generated image, give me a front to use, and it's asking us. Wow, all that coming up. Hi again, this is Dyson. My pleasure to be here. In today's video, we're gonna see what the heck is AI, and as an artist, is AI will replace me or not? We're gonna find out. I don't know. And we're gonna see the challenge we have right now with the AI and machine learning. And in the end of this video, we're gonna see my favorite tools I'm using right now with AI. So with that, if you like this kind of video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Let's begin. So now we're gonna see what is AI in graphic design, particularly not in the music or writing chatbot in general, just in the graphic design, so we know what we expect from it. First, let me show you how the traditional programming works to identify a shape, for example, in the image. Let's suppose we have this X letter. If we are going to write a program to identify that shape, our code will be like this. If the center and the corner pixel are fulfilled, of course this is an X shape. So let's say we are going to recognize these O letters in the image. So the code will be, if the center and the corner pixel are empty, then it's O. So guess what? If we have this example as an input to our program, of course our program will be failed to recognize the O letters. You see that? The condition is fulfilled, but it's not O letter. Okay, I guess so far so good. That's the traditional programming to identify the shape. Now, I want to show you something cool. You may have heard that before. It's called machine learning. Machine learning work differently, totally different. First, it will guess the shape. It's that a circle shape? It's not, of course. What is the correct answer? Of course, it is square shape. So, who gives this answer? Of course we are. Now AI will analyze or learn from this shape. For example, in the square shape, we have these lines here. Okay. This is the edge. He will identify that as a rule. For example, we have 90-degree corner here. That's a square. So AI will begin to analyze million of image, as you can see here, daily, and he will train on this image. So AI will take your answer and create his rules. You see the circle eyes and the wheel, we have circle radial lines. So we call that neural network. That's rules are called neural network. AI will use million of this neural network daily to create image for us. So that's what machine learning. Okay, now how we can use AI to improve our skills? As we said before, AI needs input or guidance. These days, artists used to give the AI a text to image. They used to describe what they need to AI, and AI suddenly generate that art. For example, AI gives me cool tree. So that's the tree, and that's what I imagined. As you can see, they are not identical. We need to fix that. We need to make it closer to our imagination. So my first suggestion to you guys is gives AI more input. Rather than text, for example, we need a visual guidance to the AI or visual input. For example, I don't know, for example, make or draw a tree and upload to the AI. Or give him a real example and tell him I need like this tree. For example, in 3D, instead of text to final render, we will fill the gap and gives the AI, for example, in a cube or 3D model and manipulate that. Luckily, we have great artists already doing that. For example, this talented Japanese artist called, let me do it in Japanese, I love Japanese accent, Hirokazu Yakahura. I love it. These talented artists already doing that. As you can see, he will give the AI, for example, a cube or model in modeling in real time, and AI will manipulate that. You see, that's workflow, it's cool. So as you can see, the visual input is so important in the AI process. So I use this method too. I record this footage with my iPhone and upload it to the AI. So I told him, for example, give me a fantasy scene or make me a candy scene. You see that? That's so cool. So as you can see, I have this footage of myself. I give that to an AI as an input and the text to describe what we need. So that's the result. And as you can see in this one, we have the camera movement and the style. I love it. And in this one, we have a different visual input with the awesome costume. You see that? We have this result. The input is matter. So as you may know, there is a tons of app using AI technology right now. For example, in audio, in graphic, etc. So my favorite app using AI in chatbot, that will be the Bing app using ChatGPT-4. That's awesome app. I am using that frequently and I love it. It assists me with a lot of concept and guide me with the trend, for example. That's a chatbot. So in 3D, we have MLOps in Houdini. It's plugin in Houdini. It's created by the fantastic or talented Entagma guys. I love it, honestly. And although I hope side effects enter the AI world and give us awesome AI tools to combine it with the pyro or crowd simulation, etc. And in the composing, of course, we have Copycat by Foundry in Nuke. By the way, this video is about the Copycat. This is awesome AI tools in Nuke. Take the heavy lifting, for example, speed up the rotoscoping. I love it. And of course, in video editing, we have a Videoleap app. I love this app. It's awesome and easy to use, and it's have an awesome AI tools. All this awesome stuff you see, I did that with Videoleap. So with that, I guess we're gonna have interesting future with AI. Let's predict the future. I think we're gonna have more stable animation. You see, like this one. That's so awesome. And of course, we're gonna have text to 3D model generator, maybe. And I guess, of course, a lot of DCC app like Blender, Cinema 4D, Houdini will adopt machine learning technology. And of course, I guess we will have a more personalized AI to customize based on our need. And to me, of course, you see all this shot I did, it took a lot for me, the time and effort. You see, I would be so happy to train AI based on my style. To take that heavy lifting from my shoulder to produce more. Man, I will be waiting for that moment. You see, all that was my perspective about AI, and I thought it might be helpful for you. So with that, have fun with AI. Goodbye.